we are back with another what I eat in a day video. This time we are doing my lazy quick girl meals. Lazy girl quick meals, actually. Why are we doing lazy girl quick meals? Because your girl does not like to spend all day in the kitchen, and sometimes I just don't really feel like meal prepping and eating the same thing every week. So I wanted to show you guys the kind of things that I eat that are still low carb and high protein that you don't have to meal prep but take literally 10 minutes or less, okay, maybe like 15 tops to make. So this video is actually in collaboration with Thrive Market. You guys know how much I am obsessed with them. They are literally like Whole Foods at Costco prices. You can find all the organic, the non-GMO, the vegan, the gluten-free foods that you could ever want. These cost like over $7 in my local grocery store. Let me tell you, on Thrive Market, they are $4.39. So if any of that interests you, Thrive Market is offering my subscribers an extra 25% off their first purchase. Hello. 25% off the already extremely low prices. You cannot go wrong. Plus a free 30-day trial. I mean, you cannot go wrong. So make sure you guys click the link in the description bar. And without further ado, let's get into this what I eat in a day.
Okay, so starting out with breakfast, I picked up these Power Cakes flapjacks from the brand that makes Kodiak cakes. These are my favorite for on-the-go breakfast because they're not too high in calories or carbs, and they're packed with protein, and they literally take a minute to make. All I'm going to do is add a 1/4 cup of almond milk to this. You could do water or regular milk, and then I'm going to mix everything together until it's combined and the consistency is a smooth batter. Once you have this smooth batter, all you have to do is pop this in the microwave on high for 1 minute, and then you have a beautiful fluffy flapjack like this. So good, you guys. These actually taste amazing. And then for a little bit of extra protein, I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt right on top of that. So this is a 250 calorie, 35 grams of carbs, and about 25 grams of protein breakfast. Nice. For lunch, this is another really quick, easy girl breakfast. These are baked eggs with marinara sauce. So you're going to start out with a marinara sauce of your choice. I picked up this organic roasted garlic marinara tomato sauce from Thrive Market. This is great on pasta, but this is particularly nice in this dish here. So I'm just going to take 1/2 cup and put this in the bottom of a heat-safe ramekin. You want to obviously spread that out. And then on top, I'm going to add some cheese. So I did half regular cheese, just marbled cheddar. And then I also sprinkled a little bit of vegan diet cheese as well, just so I'm keeping my cheese on the lower side for the day, my fats. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a few slices of turkey bacon that I had pre-cooked just for some extra protein, and just because it tastes freaking amazing. And then I'm going to go ahead and crack 2 whole eggs right on top of this. So you want your eggs kind of to cover everything below because the eggs are going to bake and set on top. So make sure you crack them and kind of sift them around the ramekin. I'm going to be seasoning our eggs with the Himalayan pink sea salt that I picked up. This is so good. I love pink sea salt. It's actually better for you than regular salt, I read. And then I'm also going to add some everything bagel seasoning as well to season our eggs on top, as well as some chives, because chives taste really good in this dish. And then I'm going to go ahead and just cut up some green onion right on top of this. Again, you can add whatever you want to this dish. You guys just know I'm all about onions. I'm all about the turkey bacon. So I'm just cutting those right on the top to taste. And you should have a little something that looks like this before you put this in the oven. You can see the eggs are on the top. You have everything seasoned and the marinara sauce below. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will bake that for 15 minutes or until your eggs are set. 15 minutes gives me this kind of result where the eggs are a little bit runny and gooey inside, which I personally like. And this is a delicious low carb, high protein lunch, which is going to keep your stomach flat this summer, ladies. For a snack, I am taking the Simple Mills Rosemary and Sea Salt Almond Flour Crackers. These I pick up at Thrive Market, and they are great because they are about 1 gram of carbohydrate per cracker. So I have a few of these, and they also taste really good. These are like the best tasting crackers I've ever had. And I'm just having that with some organic hummus on the side for a little mid-afternoon pick-me-up. For dinner, we are making some taco salad bowls. You could just do regular tacos, but I wanted to do a salad. So I'm going to heat up a pan with some olive oil. Once that's heated, I'm going to throw in some garlic because, guys, I am garlic and onion obsessed. So add in a couple of cloves of garlic and just let that reduce. Once our garlic has cooked, I'm adding in some Gardein meatless ground beef. You could do real beef, but when I'm doing lazy girl dinners and I want to make my dinner in about 10 minutes, Gardein is the way to go because it cooks in about 5 to 6 minutes. There's no cleaning up of raw ingredients. It's just so much easier, and it's still very high in protein, so I get the same effects. You guys can see I'm just browning that. I added in some onions as well. I'm also adding in some everything bagel seasoning to season this, and then just cooking this on medium heat just so it kind of de-thaws and browns and cooks. It cooks a lot faster than you think. To season this, I'm going to use the Thrive Market taco seasoning mix, which is organic and non-GMO. So all you do is throw this on there, and then you're going to go ahead and add a 3/4 cup of water right on top of that mix. You're going to mix everything together and then turn your heat down to low and let that simmer until it gets to a consistency that you like. And that is basically all you need to do for the filling of your taco meat. And I can use this for tacos, and this will last me a few days. Today I decided I was going to have a salad, so I'm just using some greens here. This is some arugula, some spinach, and some romaine lettuce, just to get in some extra iron and some greens for the day. I'm then going ahead and adding a serving of our taco meat that we just made right on top of this. Yum, yum, yum. This looks so good. I'm getting hungry watching this. And then again, some green onions. Yes, we put onions in the tacos. Green onions are a must. I just love onions, as you guys know by now. Also, I'm going to add some cheese, which again, if you guys have watched any of my videos, I love my cheese. This is just regular marbled cheddar. And then I'm also breaking up a few corn tortillas right on top. This will add a few extra carbs, but I'm only doing about 3 or 4 for a little bit of crunch, and it just tastes amazing. And then I'm using some guacamole. Guac is extra, so love some guac. That's going to be kind of my dressing, as well as this chipotle Mexican dip and also a bean dip that I found at the grocery store. These are actually low carb dips, and I just use them in place of dressing because they add some extra flavor and Mexican texture. And that is going to be our dinner, you guys. This was so filling. I couldn't even finish this whole bowl of salad. I think I went a little bit overboard, but it tasted amazing, and I've been having it for lunch ever since. For dessert, again from Thrive Market, I found these Good Pop Organic Freezer Pop. You guys, it's so hot. It's like 35 degrees. I need a little popsicle. These are anywhere from 35 to 45 calories and between 9 and 11 grams of carbs. They do not break the bank, and they taste absolutely delicious and organic. So I usually have one of these as a little dessert.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys love this style of video. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I will be back very soon with more food diaries and also more fashion videos for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.